you have to face the biggest problem in bypassing FRP of any Realme mobile. Share article option is not working. I will show you learn more about click share. It is written, I will click on it. Okay, here 3 dots will come in the upper corner. I will click on it. After that, this is the share article. I click on it, see it. You are having to face these problems in the latest security, and a lot of your comments are coming for this. Share article option is not working. See here, application error has come okay. So what is the solution to this problem? I will tell you in this video. Please do not click on the video. I will show it again. See this, click on 3 dots, click on share article. See this, click on share article as soon as it comes back. Has been. Okay, I have to face another problem, friends, which is the Clone Phone 1 Plus app or the Clone Phone application is not showing on the Play Store. Well, I got this second device. I open the Play Store in it. Here I click on search. Here I will type friends Clone Phone. If you search by typing Clone Phone, you will immediately find it. Friends, the Clone Phone application used to appear here, but it no longer shows up. You can easily access Clone Phone through the OnePlus app. The show is not doing, and a lot of your comments are coming for it. So what is the solution to these two problems? I will tell you in this video. Please do not skip the video. The video will be made today. At the moment, friends, the device I have is from Realme branding. As you can see on the backside, there is Realme branding and its model number is Realme 13 Pro plus 5G. The device is our FRP lock, i.e. Google account lock, and in this video, I will tell the latest way to bypass FRP of all Realme mobiles. One thing to note, my friends, how will you know if your device is FRP locked? Then let me tell you a small trick. When your device is FRP locked, pay attention to the top corner, doing a little locker show, right? So if this type of locker shows in your mobile, then it means it is confirmed that the device is your FRP lock. This means that your Google account is locked, Gmail ID is locked. First of all, friends, in this video, I confirm to you that this device I have, the Realme 13 Pro plus 5G is fully FR locked. That is, Google account is locked. We will next from here. We will skip this option and see here, this message has arrived. Now see here, this next is not halat. So what should you do first? Here, the pay device has to connect to a Wi-Fi because it is necessary to run the net in the device. So here I have connected the device to Wi-Fi. Now see, the next option has been enabled here. From here, we will do the next wait for a few seconds. You will be able to confirm that I have this device. The Realme 13 Pro plus 5G is fully FRP locked, i.e. Google account locked. Enter the lock screen password option. That is, the device was previously our password lock. Now you have to verify this password here to pass the FRP of the device. We don't know the password. So we will cancel this option from above. And now you will see verify your account written here. You can see the option of verify your account has come. Now it is confirmed that the device is FRP locked, because to bypass the FRP of the device now, you have to verify the email ID of the same device, i.e. Gmail ID here, which we do not know. So now see how to pass this FRP back. First of all, you need to get out of here. On the connected to Wi-Fi option, i.e. Where the device was connected to Wi-Fi, you simply click on this network. Share options will be displayed here. Click on this. Quick share will appear. Click on this. You will see 3 dots in the upper corner. Click on this, then click on settings, learn more about quick share. You click on this, okay? There is a 3 dot in the upper corner. Click on this, share the article. You are not doing it. I will show it again. Click on this. See, it's completely baked, okay? So what is the solution? I will tell you in this video, all right? Now friends, the option to share article here is not working. So what to do for this is to come down here, okay? At the very bottom, you will see an option, enter with app and people. You simply click on it. Now friends, let's go down here a little bit. You will see an option here. You will get an option check Wi-Fi or mobile connection. You simply click on it. After that, you will see the option of mobile network. You click on it, okay? After that, now come down a little bit from here. Here friends, you will notice you will see a YouTube video. Just play this video. After playing the video, the title of the video will be visible at the top. Click on this title and the YouTube application will open in your device. You have to get all the permissions that come. Alright, after that, hold the video and swipe down. Look in the upper corner, you will see the account option. Click on it, then you will see settings, then you will see about. Click on about YouTube turn off services. You click on this, then the Chrome browser will open in your device. Click on this option to use without any count, then say no thanks from here. Now friends, the area address above is, you click on this here, you have to type simply friends, FRP file firmware BD display, you can see exactly the same type. Then I typed after typing. This website, which is visible at the top, you simply have to click on this. This website will open on your device. Now friends, it is a little down here. If you come down a little, you will see an option here. You will see open settings. If you click on simple open settings, you will see that the main settings of your device will be opened. Can see the main settings of the device have been opened. First of all, I will make you check the security Android version and model number of this device. Here I will click on simple about device. The model number you can see is Realme 13 Pro Plus 5G. It's 3921 and below comes the Android version. The device runs on the latest Android 14. If we are talking about security, friends, then see here its security is exactly the latest 5th October 2024. Okay guys, let's get out of here. After entering the settings, in the main settings of the device, you will see an option here, home screen lock screen. You click on it. After that, the second number, home screen layout will appear. If you click on it, then you will see the home screen of your device will be opened. Note that this is only the home screen of your device has been opened. Your device has not been unlocked yet. That's when your device will be unlocked. So look up here, friends. I will show you. Look in the corner. Let's show the locker. This locker will not show. Okay, now friends, here you will see by default an application. You will see the clone phone. You can open the simple clone phone application here and now pay attention, friends. Now you have to take a Realme device, a OnePlus device or an Oppo device. Take any of these three brands mobile phones, Realme, OnePlus or Oppo. This is because in these three brands you get a clone phone application by default. You don't need to search for it on the Play Store. Okay, so I took this OnePlus phone. See in this, the clone phone application is already installed by default. I will open it with simple. Okay, now friends, this device is locked, i.e. it is a new device. Then this is the new device. You click on it. Whatever permission comes from this type, you can remove all the permissions step by step. Order Android will be visible. Click on it. Here you will get to see a QR. Now friends, the second device is written here. This is the old device. You click on it, the scanner will open here. Now you have to scan this QR code. I'm scanning from here. As soon as you scan, you will see both devices will be connected. See here the connecting processor is happening. Do a little wait. Now friends, pay attention here. The check option has appeared for everyone. What should you do to uncheck everything? For this, you need to check the box at the top and then uncheck it here. After that, come down and look for apps. You have to click on apps where you'll see a list of all applications. The application which will have the lowest MB, check that application and do simple OK from above. Click on it and see this sending and receiving. An application which we have checked will be successfully transferred to this device. See this transfer completed. Now click on done from here. See now friends. After the application is transferred, the option to complete the migration will appear. You now need to click on simple done from here. Simply skip this option above and click next from below. Check one of the button gestures and then click on done. Realme UI gets the problem below. Get started. You click on it and just go now. An FRP lock of your device, Realme 30 Pro plus 5G, i.e. Google. Realme 13 Pro plus 5G's SRP lock, i.e. Gmail ID lock, has been completely bypassed and the device is completely unlocked. Now look, no locker is showing in the upper corner, but friends have to face another problem. In a lot of devices, when the device's FRP is bypassed, the top notification panel does not work. Note that the notification panel above is not working. Alright, what's the solution? Let me tell you, for this friends, you have to come to the main settings of the device. After coming to the settings, you will see system and update at the end. You will click on it. After that, it will be visible. Click on it to reset. Click on this to reset your phone. Erase all data. Click on erase data from here and clear from here, i.e. manually reset the device once. In this video, I told you the latest way to bypass SRP of Realme 13 Pro plus 5G. The Lone Phone app is not showing on the Play Store. The solution has been told and the option of sharing the article is not doing it. Told the way. If you have any questions related to the video, then you can ask by commenting in the comment section, or if you need to unlock any device of any brandy sitting at home, then you can contact me for this. My contact details are available in the description box. If you like it, share the video, like it, support the channel and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.